everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. First of all, shout outs to all my subscribers. I can remember back when we were about 30, 40 subscribers or so. We're approaching 300, so super thanks to all you guys. Much appreciated. Love you guys. What we're doing today is going to be a review, and it's going to be on these sauces right here. It's the Tsangs line. Make sure it's lined up here. And this is the two that I bought. I've already tried this one out here. We're gonna try this tonight. We're gonna compare it. Okay, so we're actually gonna cook. I got some beef here, actually some flank steak. I'm gonna get a shot of that. Well, there you go, some flank steak. Awesome. Close that up. Got some vegetables, some bell peppers, mushrooms, all that good stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and cook this up with some rice. Make 2 batches separately. Use the sauce on one and use the other sauce on the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna light the griddle up, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, here at the griddle, you got to do some rice with the stuff here. So, and you can check the other video for the rice. Vegetables: red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, onions, baby portobello mushrooms. Got some zucchini. There's a couple other things in there too. That also going on the griddle. So the meat is really simple, so we're gonna go ahead and work this a little bit, and I'm just kind of giving you an idea of what we're doing here. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up and kind of work a little bit, and I'll bring you back when we put the meat on. All right, see you soon. Rice is done, beef is going on. All right, sizzlini. All right, good. I'm gonna work that around with the vegetables, and I'll be back to throw the sauce on in a minute. Sorry guys, we got a huge windstorm or something coming in, so the Saigon sizzle on the left, we're gonna drizzle some of that on there, a little amount, probably maybe a 1/4 cup, and the General Tso's on the right. Drizzle some of that on there. All right, so we're just going to stir it up, and you know what? That's about it. Once we're done here, we'll take you in and we'll give you a taste test because this is done. All right, guys, we are done with the cook. Kind of seeing what we were doing, and we used the 2 sauces. We got, I believe, Saigon over here. Is that what that? Yep. So we got the Saigon sizzle over here. You got the General Tso's over here. I've not tried anything, and the rice. We did the rice, and it's just. It's phenomenal. I did try the rice. I know it was good, but anyway. So here we go. We're gonna try the Saigon sizzle first. First, I just want to try the beef, just to get a little bit of sauce on it and see. The flank steak is super tender. There's a flavor. Let me get some vegetables real quick, I just want to give you a really good review of what I really think about this. So a little bit of bell peppers, that has a unique taste. It's really good. It is good. There's a taste of something. I know what it is. I'm not sure. I've tasted it before, but that's pretty good. Now we're gonna go ahead and go try the General Tso's. And I do love General Tso's. And it usually comes, well, chicken or beef. So, well, actually, I want to swig with some beer. I just got some Blue Moon, some, what is this, apricot, something weed or whatever. Just whatever. I just grab different beers kind of whenever. So, let's just kind of take my taste buds out of that. All right, let's give this other one a test real quick and see. First, I just want to try the beef. So I'm gonna get down here and get some beef with some sauce on it. Okay. So right off the bat, They are very, very similar. This one has a little, it has a little bit of a different taste. I know what it is, I just can't put my finger on it. I just want to try some vegetables real quick though. Some beef, some zucchini, there we go, a bell pepper, some beef. For me, between the two, I'm going with this. I'm going with the General Tso's. Now I looked at the ingredients, and I eat a lot of Asian food. There is something in here that it's a different taste than this. They're very similar, but it has a little different kind of twang to it. I'm more partial to this. So between these two, in my taste buds would prefer this one, the General Tso's, even though this one actually is really good. And who knows, you know, your taste buds might like that little twang a little bit better, but they're really similar. They're really close. And to finish it off, I just want to taste some rice. Boom. Everything is complete. So that's my review on the two. Quick cook. There's actually, well, 3 more that I want to try and watch. Try to get all 3 of those in the next video. But between those two, I like the General Tso's more. And yeah, we just want to definitely try to give you something that is really good. If you try to, you know, now you don't have to have a Blackstone. You don't have to have, you know, just in a regular pot on the stove, whatever. This sauce will be amazing. Absolutely. Your beef, your chicken, actually tried it on chicken. So yeah, the champion, General Tso's so far. All right guys, so that's my review, and that's what I thought of it. And we'll actually try to hit you with another review with the other 3. We'll try to do all those in one video as well. So we'll see you soon, and just remember, I got my live stream, excuse me, coming up this Sunday. And you know, you can win a t-shirt, a thermometer, some spices, some extra stuff. So, you know, make sure to check that out and enter, and we'll see you on the next episode. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that here. You can watch all the videos as well here, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.